My experience studying in Queens feels like an adventure, whether studying, joining activities, or just exploring around Belfast. Every day it feels like I'm trying something new, whether meeting new people from different backgrounds, trying new activities, like recently I picked up pickleball, or just traveling around with my friends. Hi, my name is Ahmed. I'm from Iraq. I'm currently studying Bachelor of Software Engineering at Queens, and currently I'm doing my placement at Liberty IT. So I would say generally my experience coming to Belfast and to Queens for the first time is that I lived in Malaysia for 12 years, so I had to move to a whole new continent. And I made the interesting decision to make no research about where I'll be, or I didn't want to connect with everyone beforehand because I wanted to experience everything firsthand. And instantly I was able to make a lot of friends. Like generally my friends are all diverse. Sometimes like to hang out with, let's say, the Malaysian Indonesian Society. Sometimes I like to hang out with the locals where like I play in Queen's amateur football team. So it feels like generally get to meet new people and about their culture and share common interests. Like generally it's just more about, hey, if you enjoy this, come join us and you have a great time. Everyone are really nice generally, so I would say this is the best decision I've ever made.